In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your calendar name on Acuity in just 5 minutes. Welcome everyone! Managing your schedule effectively is key to ensuring your business runs smoothly. And if you're using Acuity scheduling, you know how powerful it can be for booking appointments. But did you know you can customize your calendar by changing its name to better reflect your brand or the specific service you're offering? Today, I'm going to walk you through this quick process step by step. First things first, you'll want to head over to the Acuity scheduling website. This is where all the magic begins. Once you're there, you'll see the option to log in. Click on that login button to proceed. It's the gateway to accessing all the features and settings of your account. Now you'll be prompted to enter your email address. This should be the email address you used to sign up for Acuity. Type it carefully to avoid any typos which can hinder your login process. Once you've entered your email, you'll notice a next button. Click on this to move forward. It's all about navigating through the login process smoothly. Here's where it gets a bit more personalized. You'll see the option to continue with Google. If your Acuity account is linked to your Google account, this option makes it super simple to log in without having to remember another password. Click on it. Next, you'll be asked to select your Google account. Choose the one linked to your Acuity scheduling to ensure a seamless login process. After successfully logging in, your next destination is the scheduling page. This is the hub where you'll manage all your appointments and settings. You can get there quickly by navigating directly through a provided link or by finding it in your Acuity dashboard. Now to the main event, changing your calendar name. To start this process, you'll need to click on Appearance. This is where Acuity allows you to customize the look and feel of your scheduling page, including the very important calendar name. Under the Appearance tab, you'll find a section labeled Business Name. This is actually where your calendar name is listed. It might sound a bit confusing since you might expect it to be directly under a calendar label. But remember, Acuity uses business name to represent your calendar or service name here. Go ahead and change your calendar name to whatever suits your business or the particular service you're providing. This naming is crucial because it's one of the first things your clients will notice. It sets the tone and gives context to what you're offering. Once you've typed in the new name you wish to use, the final step is to make sure your changes don't just disappear into the ether. You'll see a Save Changes option. It's vitally important to click this after you've made any adjustments. This action finalizes your changes and ensures everything is updated accordingly. And there you have it. In just a few simple steps, you've successfully changed your calendar name on Acuity. This small change can have a big impact on how your clients perceive and interact with your scheduling page. Remember, personalization doesn't just end with changing a calendar name. Acuity offers a host of other customizable options to enhance your scheduling page further, ensuring it aligns perfectly with your brand's identity and messaging. Feel free to explore these options and make your scheduling page one that you're proud of and that your clients will find inviting and easy to navigate. Thank you for watching. We hope this tutorial has been helpful. Keep optimizing and personalizing, and as always, happy scheduling.